How y'all doing today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing T-bone steaks. It don't take much to season steaks, man. Today's ingredients: perfect pinch steak seasoning, KC sweet seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, minced garlic, got a little thyme and some rosemary. Hey, make sure you rub that seasoning in that meat, man. Get it all up in there. Let it marinate after you rub it in there. Yeah, get it all in there. Massage it in there. Just get it in there. Hope y'all having a blessed day also. Yes, sir. I got my thyme, my minced garlic, my rosemary in there. It's gonna be very flavorful. It's gonna be tender. I like mine medium well. How y'all like y'all steak? Let me know. Leave a comment. Like and subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. What y'all eat y'all steak with? What y'all like y'all steak with? Let me know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. That juice on now, man. That thing moist. Yes, sir. And keep it wet and juicy. Keep it juicy for me. You look at that, guys. Finished product. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Yes, sir. Finished product, baby. Tell me what you think. Yes, sir. Hey, hope y'all having a wonderful day. Stay prayed up and may the blessings come down. Thank you for watching my channel.